Okay, so today I'm gonna teach you how to unclog the water from your tub if it's unclogged up. See the water sitting still. So what you want to do? So here's what I do. Give myself a whole bottle of bleach. Just pour it all in there. And let it sit for 24 hours. Okay, so what time is it right now? It is 5:34, October 20, and we'll be back in 24 hours. Okay, so I'm back. It's exactly 24 hours. It is 5:34, Saturday, October 21st. So what I did is I got me a big old pot, put hot water in it, and bring it to a boil. So once it comes to a boil, you bring it into the tub and you just pour it all in. But first thing first, safety first. You gotta wear your mitten. So I'm gonna bring it right now and I'm gonna show you. Okay, I got my hot water. Take my bleach out. Take this out. Just pour it all in there. Now I'm gonna catch the cold water that's coming out first. And I'm gonna let it run for like 10 minutes, 5 or 10 minutes. So I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna come back. Take this out, just let it run, and then we'll come back. So just all hot water. Okay, so it's been like about 7 minutes. I'm gonna turn off the water. Put this in, a hair catcher. And let's see if it works. I'm gonna pause it a little bit, and then I'm gonna wait till it get real low and then see if it works. Okay, it's good and low. So I'm gonna take this out just to see if it spins. If it spins, that means the drain is clear. There you go. It worked. So if this video helps you, please, I need 500 subscribers and I'm so close. So just hit that subscribe button and I really appreciate it. And now I can take a hot shower, but now I gotta wait till my water tank fills up to take a hot shower because I used all hot water for this. But it does work and it's gonna save you a lot of money. Pretty easy, pretty simple. So thank you for watching. Bye.